the new Parker Adjustable Injector. About 1.2 ounces or 35 grams and a total length of 5 inches. Adjustment dial of 1 through 5. Recently just got this from Super Safety Razors out of New York State. So, got a lot of growth. I've got very limited experience with injectors, so let's give this a go. Good afternoon, white shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome to the Rabbit Hole Cal Shaves. Today, we're going to be giving this Parker Adjustable Injector razor a run for its money with, yes, this is what 2 weeks worth of growth looks like for me. Most normal guys, this would be about 10 minutes, but this is as good as I get for 2 weeks. We're going to give it a run for money. Give it a run for its money. I believe I paid about $32 USD for this. It comes out of New York. Super Safety Razors located there. Comes preloaded with one blade. They also send it with a 5-pack. And these blades are supposed to be good for at least 4 shaves, depending on how coarse your beard is, of course. Now today we're also going to be giving this new soap I just got from my buddy out of New Jersey, Nejman, Loose Screw Shaving. He's taking a break from making videos, but we're hoping he'll come back soon. So this is really nice. It's his, he's been experimenting with a vegan formula. Now I've got one of his other soaps I've done a video of recently, but I'm going to be giving this a go. It's a very, very, very firm soap. In the sink, I have got soaking my Yingling Brushworks synthetic. So, we're going to probably multi-speed this, but I'm going to get this brush loaded, and then I'm going to build up my lather in my Thirsty Badger lather bowl. Tilt this down so we can see. Oh, by the way, shout out to all your cigar smokers out there. I bought this off Amazon a few days ago. Love it. Yeah, so we get that lather built up. Now that is a citrus scent. Rick was telling me it's not his own. It's one that he bought, the particular formulation for that citrus. But anyway, we'll give this a try. So let's get the goatee tied up and out of the way. Commentary fairly short, and I think we're going to keep the edits quite short on this video too. I believe today is December 14th, and I've got to go trucking tomorrow, and from what I've just learned, I'll be driving into a snowstorm. So, I was hoping to get this video up today, but that's not going to happen. It'll have to probably happen next Sunday or Monday. Very limited experience using injectors. I did a video quite a while ago of the PAA injector replica, and I think I've done videos, but I've also got several vintage Schicks, different model injectors. Excuse me. Oh, I know that I've got an adjustable injector, vintage, that I went in on a group buy with friends of mine, but it's packed and I have never used it. So just to get a feel for that razor, I'll be putting it on setting 3 and see what it'll do. I expect it to clog up easily with this much growth. but past 2 and 3 will be much, much better. So, that should be good to go. Again, very light. Love the looks of it. Okay, I'm actually going to turn this up to 5. And it raises the blade height. I know it's not going to pick up very well. Let's crank it right up. Again, being unfamiliar with these, it's got a different feel. It's a little bit tuggy. That's just a spot. I don't know if I've got an ingrown or what. I noticed that last week. But anyway, the neck is the fuller part. Although I do prefer a 3-inch handle, this isn't bad. I have lots of razors that are 4-inch. And the sink is just full of hair, as you can imagine. So it's mowing through a lot. And Rick Nejman, his formula, it's got nice slickness to it. Yeah. No, Rick works in the hospital. I believe he's on the New York side, although he lives in New Jersey. I'm not sure if he is a lab technician or what, but as you can imagine, it's been a hell of a stressful year. So, as far as I know, he's just taking a break from making videos, and I'm really, really hoping he'll come back. I lent him my 8/8 ale from Alejandro Belba. He did a video of that a while ago. I was really, really happy to be able to lend it to him. And he rehomed it and sent it back. So, I'll be giving that a go soon again. It's been a long time since I've used it. So we're going to do pass number 2. And we're going to do this a multi-speed, but we're going to do pass number 2 across the grain. I do find that long handle a little bit awkward to hold. If you haven't tried that style of single edge before, it's very noticeably different from a DE. You can definitely feel, I won't say that it's as razor thin sharp. You can definitely feel the fact that it's a thicker blade. It's kind of hard to explain that, but you can feel that it's not, you know, that it's a few times thicker than a regular DE blade. It's definitely very noticeable. So we're going to do a third pass, just re-wet and reapply. Again, I'm very surprised that that is going through that like it is. Again, there's other razors that I could have used easily. You know, the Mueller R41, my Ascension, any of my Gems type style razors. Really liking this soap too, really nice. So thank you to Rick for sending it to me. He was also kind enough to send me some cigars too. He is a fellow brother of the leaf, although with 2 young children at school and the school system there and COVID and all that, he's not getting as much time to enjoy a drink and a smoke as he'd like. So we'll do our last pass against the grain. I do find this is one style of razor you can actually put a better pressure on and not be, I don't find it's as, and with a regular DE, you definitely want to go zero pressure. This I find I can put a little bit of pressure on and not be worried about getting cut. That's a bit of a trouble spot for me. And again, with as much growth as that had to come off, I'm not surprised. Now, I would call that a bit of stubble here. But again, given as much growth as it drew through, and I did it in 3 passes and a touch-up, that's a damn fine shave, but if you shave more than every week or 2, that'd be great. So, wait, we're gonna give this a tidy up, or rinse, and then we'll come back and do the post. So, we'll be right back. Thanks. Hey guys, we're back. We got it cleaned out. Yeah, I would call that DFS. Again, given how much it had to mow through. And I also know that if I do too many more passes, if I go over it, I'm gonna have irritation, and I don't want that, of course. So, and of course you guys saw, I forgot to lock this. You guys saw how much it cut through. So very cool with that. So, PAA Alum Dry Dock. Run it onto the water. And very surprised there's almost no burn with that. Little tiny bit right there, a little bit here, but that's it. So now that's on setting 5. If you're a daily shaver, dial it down. Again, not having the experience with these, I don't know the comparison, you know, to a Fat Boy or any of your other various adjustables. You know, your Razor or your Rockwell. I've got a 6C here, but so very nice. Performance on that soap, Rick, is friggin' spot on. Love it. Great scent on that. So we're gonna give this a quick rinse. Keeping with the citrus theme, something I have not used in a long time, and I don't know why. Thayer's Lemon Witch Hazel Astringent with aloe vera. Oh. Rick Nejman uses Thayer's in every video he does, or most shaves, I believe. He's got a fondness for the rose scent. It's either rose or lavender, I forget which one it is that Rick uses. And something that's in the citrus, but cologne, we're gonna go with the RazoRock XXX, and this, can't quite read that because my reading glasses are in the other room. I believe it's alcohol based. That was actually one of the first scents that I've ever got, I believe. Haven't used that in a very long time, so a bit of menthol in it. Very, very nice. So that's going to wrap this one up. So yeah, Parker Adjustable Injector. This one came from Super Safety Razors out of New York State. And they also sent a sample of soap as well, which I use on another video. And of course, links down below. We went from my buddy Rick Nejman, loose screw shaving his vegan formula that he's just come up with recently. From my buddy Scott Yingling. This is Yingling Brushworks, 24mm. Of course, we went with the Thirsty Badger lather bolt. Gotta use that. Love that. Finished off with Thayer's Lemon Witch Hazel Astringent, RazoRock XXX. Gotta go with the PAA Alum Block. Love this. So, that's gonna wrap this one up. If you guys see anyone in the medical field, give them a great big thanks. Rick, what you do and the sacrifices you have made during this past year or so, the world owes you a huge debt of gratitude for it, and we just can't thank you enough. So, again, if you're a first responder, if you work in the medical community, give them a huge thanks. They've earned it. They're stressed out, they're tired, they're fed up. So they've earned a much needed break, and I don't think there's going to be one in sight for a few months. So thanks again to you guys. On a different note, guys, if you haven't gotten in on my Christmas giveaway, check out that video, link over one of my shoulders. Time is running out for that, and it's, I'd like to think, a rather large giveaway, so please check that out. And yeah, it's going to wrap it up. I had to go trucking in the morning, headed down, coincidentally enough, head to New Jersey, probably about a half hour from where Rick lives. So, you guys take care of one another, you stay safe out there, and we'll see you again in a real soon. Bye-bye.